Hello students, today's topic is poverty. Let's see the meaning of poverty. Poverty can be defined a range of different ways as a lack of resources or income available to purchase necessities or to achieve an acceptable standard of living through actual levels of expenditure as deprivation indicated by the lack of essentials, as lack of the capability to achieve particular standard of living, whether or not that standard of living is achieved, or as inability to participate in the activities of everyday life. So it is very difficult to define poverty. Regarding poverty, there is two concepts. One is absolute poverty and relative poverty. Now let's see what is absolute poverty. There are two concepts of poverty in economics. They are absolute poverty and relative poverty. Absolute poverty. If a person's income or consumption expenditure is so low that he cannot live at minimum subsistence level, he is said to be absolutely poor. It basically indicates deprivation of some sort of resulting in hunger and starvation. People are said to be in absolute poverty if their earnings are insufficient to obtain the minimum necessities for the maintenance of physical efficiency. Such minimum necessities are usually measured in terms of minimum nutritional requirements. Now let's see what is relative poverty. Relative poverty concept indicates inequalities of income. The people of low income groups are relatively poor as compared to the people whose incomes are high. Here poverty is viewed in terms of inequality between the poorest groups and the rest of the community. It is to be noted that relative poverty cannot be eradicated without transfers from the rich to the poor. At the same time, the relatively poor may be living above the minimum subsistence level. Now, let's discuss about the causes of poverty. There are many causes in the society which creates poverty in our society. One of the major cause of poverty is high growth rate of population. Because of overpopulation, because of population explosion, the problem of poverty arises in our society. Then landless laborer, low productivity. Because of low productivity, when demand increases among the people, the production is limited, then also poverty arises in our society. Low food production, illiteracy. Without education, it is very difficult to get a job, to get employment opportunity. And when there is no employment opportunities, poverty arises in the society. So illiteracy also is a cause of poverty. Then political system and corruption, lack of job opportunities in countries like India due to lack of infrastructure, slow development of economy, the job opportunity is very less, which is also a reason, a major cause of poverty in our society. Then inequalities in income, migration, regional disparities. For example, when we saw in our country, in comparison to the major parts of our country, northeastern region is always neglected. This is one of the reason of poverty in our region also. So this may be the cause of poverty also. Excessive population pressure on agriculture, lack of capital, these are the major causes which creates poverty in our society. Let's discuss about the consequences of poverty. Family problems, it creates many kind of family problems, family disorganization, broken family. So these are the family problems arises because of poverty. Health, illness and medical care, education problem. Due to poverty, people cannot afford the education facilities of our country. Housing and homelessness, crime and victimization, criminal offenses increases due to poverty, feeling of insecurity and frustration. Now let's see some suggestion for removal of poverty in our society. Population control, because population explosion is the major cause of poverty in our country. So through population control we can remove poverty to some extent. Equal distribution of income, regional poverty, speedy development of infrastructure, changes in techniques of production, stability in price level, development of agriculture, special employment schemes for the poor. There are different programs introduced by the government to alleviation of poverty in our society. For example, Jawahar Gram Samriddhi Yojana, National Old Age Pension Scheme, National Family Benefit Scheme, Annapurna, Integrated Rural Development Program, Pradhan Mantri Gramin Awas Yojana, Sampurna Gramin Rozgar Yojana. So, poverty is a condition in which a person, either because of inadequate income or unwise expenditure, does not maintain the scale of having enough to provide for his physical and mental efficiency and to enable him and his natural dependents to function usually according to the standards of society of which he is a member. But it is a problem through proper suggestion we can control poverty to some extent in our society. Thank you.